It's a great design in all respects.
But is it user-friendly? Is it functional?
You could describe ergonomics as the science of user-friendliness. With Ford Focus being all new, we had the opportunity to go right back to the beginning and study how people actually use a car. So operational controls have been positioned as a result of specific ergonomic studies. Individual switches, for instance, are ergonomically shaped to fit the finger. Key functional areas are contrasted by black insets and grouped together according to function in what we call touch zones. We engineered all the gauges to be electronically driven. There are no mechanical cables. The speedometer and tachometer, for example, are instructed by the engine management computer, so the readings are very precise. The hazard warning light switch is prominently mounted in the center, so it's accessible from both front seats. We located the power window switches where people want them, near the windows themselves, rather than in the center console. The heater or air conditioning controls have a larger central distribution knob to be easier to adjust by touch alone. And since people use climate controls less frequently than audio controls, we place the audio system at the top of the center console, where it's nearer to hand and easier to operate. And most of our audio packages have secondary remote controls. Again, these controls can be recognized by touch alone without the driver's eyes having to leave the road. We studied the best arrangement for steering column stalks and came up with a design which allows intuitive operation of wipers and lights. We even worked on the position of the power-operated tailgate release switch. It's up here, on the outboard side of the instrument panel, so it's easier to use from outside the car, no need to bend down. Also outside is our new bonnet release. It's now a secure lock. And we designed a robust, simple door handle that people find easier to use. All this work came about as a result of specific ergonomic studies. A design is only good when it's harmonious and works well. Our design for Ford Focus is and does.
Striking, progressive, modern, spirited, liberating, balanced, charismatic. New Ford Focus.